Somebody call my name. Hush, hush. Somebody call my name. Hush, hush. Somebody call my name. Oh my Lord, oh my Lord, what shall I do? The water is troubled, troubled, my friend. Stay right in, if God Almighty power. You see it, my son, not cry. Look at that. I can't help myself. I did not make myself. If God Almighty power, keep moving every step right now. By my side, the water is troubled, my friend.
Queen.
Morning. What, baby? How are you there? Where is that? Where to come?
Yeah, miss out.
Where are you? Where is that? I'm not even hear him. Oh my God, crazy! Yeah. Never lazy. Hello? Are you in Trinidad? Are you in Trinidad? That's so nice. Cry, queen. Listen, I'm not trying to. Hey, sexy girl! Listen, I only feel to the best I can. But I'm only human, you know. I'm only human. And it's one me. I'm not come off of social media. Hello? Oh my God, that's so nice. I'm sure them they know me no. Trinidad. Oh my God, I want to get rid of this feeling. Oh, I'm so upset, this and this. My tummy try to calm down. I need to get this out of the system. I need this out my system. I need this out my system. I need this cry, depressive. I feel so depressed. And I think that's what I meant. I feel like how that. That's so nice of me. For come like the queen. Yeah, man, me there, I think. And listen. Listen. I'm going to share myself, you know. And that's what hurt me. You see somebody take the video, you provoke me, and you make, you think that crosses something hurt me like how you take the video, send the video right all over the world. On the street and on top of it, one cuss me feet. I never send my video come going on. I love myself. That's why I send myself my vlog. I don't share myself. But don't know, man. Bamba clock, the ticket can't, the fucking, I really want ticket. The video can't come back. Leave me now, man. Make a cry, because that's how I feel. Look here. When you leave me, man, I like trembling and allow me now, man. Me son, my pussy come here. I feel the pussy, my son, allow me now, man. I'm proud of my ugly pussy. And the 5 people them will come out here if them want to shame me, them shame. Because I tell them when I vex me, never remember them. May I defend me. Strong black me. Dirty queen is disgusting queen. May I defend myself. Come on, man. And don't leave me alone because I'm still not killing myself. And the part I'm still a trying to do, me and a Love Island brethren. Yeah? And it's like I don't want me not come off of social media. Social media make you know me. I am not coming off. You don't run me off of this. I don't feel like you know the planet I'm not for the planet, the whole of we want the planet it's a play now. I am not coming off. I'm 2 people that are the planet. I'm not coming off. When I support pussy like me, I not make no mistake. I not make no fucking mistake. I some mistake. And I don't mistake my make. Me not shame of what me do. Me not make no mistake. Accept my food, my fucking is because I can't change. You know so old and tough me is. Wish you ever hear about the tree from when it's young? Me never been a summer stay so God make me. And me will forever say sorry to my mom and my kids them, but it still can't take back what me do. As them fuck with me tomorrow on social media, me not there on social media. Bird will tell them the same way. Yeah? So all good say yes. Gonna help me fucking cry. Cause I'm crying. I'm fucking down. I'm not trying to lift up myself every minute. Oh, Queenie, you shouldn't apologize. Queenie gonna apologize. Queenie don't answer. But how the fuck does Queenie feel? Me must act the way you know want me act, but don't be who I am. That don't make no sense. You know want me act for, that's alright, Queenie, I'll be good. So me for act for Uno. What me not to be myself? This is me. Fucking get over it. Yeah? If you don't like me, you don't come on my page because it's my page. And all of my craziness I do me make on my page. So you know why I accept the good part of me. You don't fucking leave me alone. Everybody will trouble me, okay? You don't leave me, man. And just hug me and love me. Cause nobody not perfect. You don't love bumper pussy blood clot me. Call me I cry. I love myself. See where I look at myself I cry. I'm proud of myself crying. Look how my face look like bumper clot there, ass clot one juka. Stress out. And I think I look fucking followers. I yes, so I know me from. Right here, so I know me from. Want it? Right here. Say all of who think you not support me, and you not like me, you still support me. So I don't know, man. Bumba clan, some we have disgraceful sons, daughter, brother, cousin, auntie, grandfather. It goes on and on. Me the disgrace of my family. I'm proud to me a disgrace to my family. Come in and come act. Everything me do them know I'm capable of. But enough of we sit here and know that right on social media. But what we do to people not pretty. Yeah? That me I try show now. You crawl. You tell me my personal business. And when you tell me my personal business, I'm send my pussy come here now. You want the world to disgrace me. Because I'm send my pussy come here now. You want the world to see.
Queenie, girl. Queenie, come on, talk to me nice. Queenie, talk to me nice, Queenie. Me need to have my wig for my head.
Me not have none either, girl.
They're not to me show my ear now. Me not going to show people come down and them class me. Queenie, come on now, baby. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. You know you make a mistake. You know you do something. In a your sense, you do something and it wasn't nice. You apologize. Stop ball to the people them. Because the more you ball and the more them might bring you down.
Them can't bring me down. Them can't. Yeah, them not.
No, me know them not bring you down, but you're crying. You're crying because you're crying. No, and the more them move, the more you cry.
Baby, my cry come real.
I know that.
Wipe them tears and then put on makeup and filter.
Yeah, you.
This is how I am feeling.
Yeah, but baby, what I'm trying to say to you, when you're crying, people want to come back and come watch your live because them see you cry. Them now come and see when you do your thing them with your grandson and you apologize. Them now look on that. Them look on when you cry. Stop the crying. We all make mistake in life.
Man, me can't stop and it's not a mistake either.
You come in the ball to me love ball.
It's not a mistake, darling. Me thank you for calling me. Me not make no mistake. Come me tell you.
No, I'm not saying that you make a mistake.
Baby,
I'm not.
Baby. Them say, see me and come live with it are two different things.
Two different something.
Upon the internet, you might get 20% of what going in a life.
Not honor, don't mix me.
Listen to me, baby. Listen, my darling. The next 80%, you don't have a clue. You know what hurt me about this video? I feel see how close the video come from. It's
your friend, yeah.
It's all good and well. I see the talk when I not call no name.
Yeah.
You know why I not call no name?
Yeah, because of your friend, because you have respect for your
my
but you have
spirit
to have
says
respect
to
for you
don't
too.
call the name. But you see the caller, I can't call the name. It hurt me. So when you
Yeah.
say I cry, baby, if me could have said
No,
Dictor,
but really and truly, Queenie, really and truly, for you to get this thing out of your system, me not gonna tell it to call people name now. But me personally, if something hurt me, I'm gonna say, Queenie, you fuck me up like this, and you do me like that, and therefore you started something, I go finish it.
listen. Every decision I make in life, I me make it. And somebody
All right.
always tell me how to say it. I just I take it to God in prayer right now. I pray a million and
Yeah.
trillion times. I'm not stop prayer. And that's why
Yeah.
I'm come right now for to see me as raw as is me is.
Continue, baby, continue.
My thanks to everybody's support, but the final decision left to Father God. Because
Yeah.
me forget, you see me there, yes, I me do evil and God I give me my punishment. May I take my punishment, but my pussy
Yeah.
when me turn out was no fucking mistake.
Yeah.
Because me never drunk, me did sober.
You did say that. You did
And
say
when
that. You
people
did
are
say that.
tear you down, darling, and me say me
Yeah,
have
you did,
done a cup.
and if you went tell the people them say you went drunk or you went smoke or something, they would have chastised the same way.
Baby,
They
that me
would have do
can't
that
win.
worse, Sarah.
Darling, remember them done me for Dexter that say me drunk or something for ball for
Well,
crosses.
in a real life, Queenie, me not tell no lie. When it comes to Dexter that situation, because I'm a real person and you're a real person. When it comes to Dexter that situation, to be honest with you, yes, me know you take it to a level, not level. I remember fix up myself.
Whatever.
Yes, it hurt you. Yes, and it hurt me. But at the end of the day, just like how somebody would have said something to me and I
Baby, me
don't like it.
understand. Listen, you know have to explain. Me love Dexter from beginning,
Yeah,
middle,
you
start,
do.
and back. Me still love him, but me still I make him know I do not like
Yeah,
that
you
word.
didn't like
So
it. Yeah, I
listen,
don't like
baby
when people
girl.
call me out my name as well.
When me see the people them turn for me for Dexter, me not done either, cause me still love Dexter. I mean I show no say as much as me love you,
Yeah.
me I make you know say me not like that, madam. And I've got
Yeah.
the right
You
to
never
do
do not
that.
wrong. You never do not
And me
wrong.
doing that, them turn for me. So obviously me I want cantankerous woman, me I got turn back on them. But me not get
Yeah.
up and make problems so. Me not
No,
perfect.
no, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I understand totally where you're coming from. What I'm trying to say to you is like, I understand where you come
Me
from,
tell us say
and
my pussy big and stink. But you not tell me
nobody
that.
was with it. No, no, everybody pussy because for one saying I'm
No,
picking no
but just
more.
the argument's sake. If me say that about myself, don't see me as a big stinking pussy gangster.
Yeah,
This me,
yeah,
me not say that to you. Me don't speak to you in that manner. All
yeah,
right, that's said and
yes,
gone. That's said and gone. Me and Dexter
yeah.
no man war. Are the people that
Me
were
know that.
warning for Dexter?
Yeah, me know
So,
that.
me I sure no say, me have the right as a woman for knowing of myself say, me not like that word. You have some man when them done fuck you, and you and them have something them tell you say you stink. If you are my man, me I tell you, me not like it same way, me I work same way like the public.
Yeah,
I didn't
yeah.
feel good to see that word crosses, because crosses is a disastrous word.
It's not a
And I
nice,
am
it's
not
not a nice
disastrous.
word.
I love myself too much to think of myself
Yeah.
disastrous, so me defend it.
I understand that. I totally get where you're coming from, and I totally understand what you mean. I totally understand. But
Listen.
saying this,
Me just
saying
too
that,
real for the world. You hear me?
hmm?
Me not come and this come pretend right now, so me
I
not
know you
down
know
and
you're being
free.
yourself, and
Yes.
everybody entitled to be
If
themselves.
it's the live, you know why me never used to do live before girl power when live come in, me always say if anything happen per live, cannot take back. So right
Never,
now, if me drop
never.
and bust my mouth, somebody done screen record it. So it's when me come
I
from the
mean, you know,
live.
okay, give me a minute, give me 1 second. I didn't like about something what you said today about killing yourself or something like that.
No, me say me not kill myself.
Yeah. Me never said what you say. I'm just saying about that.
You not like it?
No,
Like
I'm
everything
not
to
saying
tell
that I
them.
don't like it, but it's just the fact. It's just the killing or something and there's something
Girl,
there.
girlfriend, what your name, baby? What's the name? Hello?
Sorry, me just wanna get one call. Sorry.
Yeah, what's the name, madam? What your name?
Queenie, I love
What,
you.
What's
At
your
the end,
name?
wait, let me call it back. Cause me just get one call on my phone and it make it
Alright, bless up
something.
yourself, darling. Thanks for calling. Bless up. What you doing, Gina? Gina, big up yourself. Yes, and come support the queen. What happened? Come speak on the mind. And right now, I'm reality this. Queen a reality show. No act. No video camera. Man, I cut out nothing. The raw deal. Me now. So it's either or either know when me done this alive here. Who know with me? Or no fuck off. Or no have to accept me for the good, the bad, and the ugly. Yes. If you have a gunman son, a gunman daughter, a gun girl, and you have a family and them kill somebody, you stand there and blood clot them same because of your family. Well, now, on a say, me on a queen, and me make on a laugh and happy now me down on the press, me I call to the nation and tell them some of the press. It's all good and well for no say me not for cry. Yeah? But me telling you something, me can't have to come act. And I saw me look like a madman and I think I clothes and ear me not have to put on. Me not have the energy and the strength. This morning me I walk. Come like the whole fucking 100,000 million trillion people in the world. Upon my head them there. Me I say, no man, not a mama bumper pussy blood clot. Me make on 6 video and say some horrible something. I'm gonna post them. You know much video me do for man in a walk like one mad bomber clot woman because what? On a fatigue me send on my pussy. Alright, me should have send on my pussy. So what man and I go done. Hello?
Greetings. I am on a positive place because I'm a life coach and a motivational speaker. So I'm going to speak to you because you're blessed up. All right. I want to tell you what happened. Oh, I get your videos. I used to watch you when you were in a better place. I don't like this place you're in. All right, Queenie. I want you to listen to me. And yes, I want to talk to you and I want the people them to hear me speaking to you because I was born in Trenchtown. I was raped at 5 years old. I was molested at 12 years old. I was homeless. I was an abandoned child. I've been through everything that your mind can perceive, and I have overcome it. And that's why today I'm a life coach, a motivational speaker, and every single thing you can think of. I have overcome it. I'm in the middle of divorce right now. And that too I'm overcome after 16 years. So let me tell you something. For the ladies, we said girl power. We said girl power. And we said Queenie. When we say Queenie, Queen sits on thrones. I want you to hear me well, my sister.
I'm listening.
Queen sits on thrones. When I used to, what your video used to be so hilarious. Let me tell you, it was different. It was raw and it was hilarious. I used to love come and watch you. I used to love come and watch you and get the most joy out of watching you. And then I go on my day. I don't like this place that you're in. And when I say I don't like it, as a woman, it's coming from somewhere else. There's a lot of hurt.
Spiritual, baby, what's your name? I'm fighting a spiritual warfare from somewhere.
Yes. And I want you, my name.
Wait,
my name.
1 minute, okay. Please. 1 minute, okay. Please. What's your name?
My name is Bridget. That's what they call me. And my nickname is Bridge Over Troubled Water. And I think that fits me well. Bridge over troubled water. I don't know what the hell it was meant, but as I got older, I realized I was crossing many bridges. No, right now I'm just the silver girl sailing on. I'm sailing my ass on through life. So now I remember, I watch all your videos, so I keep up with you. I know when you said you're going to send them your pum pum, because we're going to call it pum pum, because we are from yard. So I know you tell the Lucifers that you were going to sell them. If they don't stop bother you, you're going to send them your pum pum. So it wasn't like it was a surprise that they surprisingly get your pum pum, because you told them you were going to send it to them, right? So they're hypocrites now to turn around and to use that against you after you bluntly, publicly tell them if they must stop bother you, you're going to send them your pum pum. So now, when they turn around now and trying to use you, because they're wicked, it's